How to add more bank accounts to TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to add more than one bank account in TurboTax for direct deposit refunds or tax payments, then the first thing is to open your return in TurboTax. Now select deductions and credits. Here, you want to navigate to the refund section. For that, click File at the top. Now go to Your Refund Info. Select Direct Deposit as your refund option. Enter the routing number and account number for your first bank account. Choose the account type. Now, to add a second bank account, TurboTax doesn't allow splitting refunds directly between multiple accounts, but you do have some options. Option 1 is to use Form 8888 to split your refund between up to 3 bank accounts. For that, you want to search Form 8888 in the search bar. Option number 2 is deposit the full refund in one account and transfer funds manually to others after the deposit. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.